Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can create Word documents, PowerPoint documents, Excel documents using your Office 365 account. Your Office 365 account stores everything in the cloud on the web, so as long as you have internet connection and a web browser, you can access your documents from anywhere. The website, in order to get to the home page for Office 365, is the following URL: https://portal.office.com. Now there's a shortcut on your tablet, but if you're on another computer and don't have a shortcut, this is the web address you would use to get to your Office 365 account. So we're going to go back over and we're going to go to the Office 365 home page. Your username may or may not be recorded there depending on if you're using your tablet or another computer, but you're going to follow the format for your username and password that was given to you at school. So I'm going to click on my name, which is jrobinson@lynbrookschools.org, and that's how everybody else is set up, and then you're going to type in your password. Once you've successfully logged in with your username and password, you're going to land on a screen that looks similar to this, and you're going to see a number of different tiles to choose from. And you're going to see options such as Word and Excel, and you'll notice the word next to it says Online. What we're going to do, and to get into a good habit, is we're going to go to the area where all our documents always get stored, because we can create and edit existing documents all in the same place. So we're going to go over to OneDrive, and this is your cloud storage space where all your documents are stored. Once you get to OneDrive, if you've used it before, you may see folders and documents that you've created in the past. If you want to create something new, while we're in OneDrive, you're going to come up to the upper left and click New, and you're going to choose the type of file you want to create. So we're going to create a Word document. So Word Online opens up in a new tab or a new window on your internet browser, and right now you can see we are working in Word Online. Because we are working in an online environment and we are connected to the internet, everything that we type is automatically saved. You'll see down here at the bottom it says Saved, and as we type and add content to this page, it will change from saved to saving. The first thing you're going to want to do is name your document, because you will not be prompted to name your document at any point while you are typing. So we're going to just call this my test doc. And then I can bring my cursor down here and I can begin typing. And you will see at the bottom that it changes from saved to saving, because my changes are constantly being saved. Now if you're using a Word document, chances are you can continue using the Word Online version for the entire time. However, if there are some tools that are not available in the online version and you need the full desktop version, what you can do is click on the button that says Open in Word. So when I click on Open in Word, what it's going to do is it's going to open up a copy of my document which originated in Office 365 in the cloud, and it's now giving it to me in the desktop version. When we're in the desktop version, we can continue to add changes, but you will see the saving button is no longer there because we are out of our internet browser. We're going to have to make sure that our changes are saved. So if we add additional text, and we're done for now and we need to exit, you're going to see a button somewhere on the upper left-hand side. It may be below your ribbon or it may be above your ribbon. It looks like a disc with little green arrows. That little green arrow indicates that it will save the changes and sync them back up to the cloud to your OneDrive space. So I'm going to click on that button, and then I'm going to exit out of the desktop version, and I'm going to go back over to my document. It's still open in the online version. I'm just going to click on Continue Editing in Word, and once it refreshes, I should see the changes that I made on the desktop version. And that's why it's very important, if you choose to click Open in Word, that you save those changes. My suggestion is at all times possible, stay in the online version so that you don't have to worry about changes being lost. As long as you're online, all of your changes are going to be continually saved as long as you have that internet connection. So you can see now that my Word Online has refreshed, and the more text sentence that I typed in on the desktop version has now inserted itself into the online version. So if I'm done with this document for now, I made sure I have a name on it, and I want to go back over to my area of OneDrive where all my documents are stored to make sure it's there. So I'm going to click on this tool, and I'm going to head back over to OneDrive. And if I scroll down, I will see my test doc is listed here at the bottom. It indicates the last time that I worked on it. And if I need to reopen it again, all I have to do is click on it. It will load, and then I have to choose how I want to edit it. And again, it is strongly suggested that you stay in the online version so that your document is constantly saved without you having to worry about saving. This is the best method of working on documents because you know all of your documents are going to be stored online and you'll be able to access them anywhere you go.